Morphle, there is snow outside of Daddy's magic pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone.
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go.
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no! We need to find Atmo! Watch out!
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, Atmo, I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out. Morphle, morph into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, ice cream man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again!
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
Morphle, morph into a big truck.
We need to bring all these machines to the new building site.
To the new building site, Morphle.
Not in my city.
Here we are, the new building site.
Hey, there's a truck here already.
Yep, that's the only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong.
I remember you.
Builder Lawrence, all your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city.
You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Morphle and the robot dump truck could go find all the machines.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck too. Let's play a game. Whoever brings back the most machines wins. Okay, Morphle, let's find some machines. The robot dump truck found his first machine, but we'll get the next one. Look, Morphle, those people are stuck in the cement. Morphle, morph into a jackhammer. off, Morphle. Morph into a bigger dump truck. Look, Morphle. The robot dump truck also found 2 vehicles. Whoever finds the next vehicle wins. There it is! The wrecking ball! Oh no! The muddy bandits got a hold of it! Stop it, muddy bandits! That's Troy's house!
We are no longer the Muddy Bandits. We are now the Wrecking Bandits. And we are about to wreck this house.
No! That's our house! Morphle, morph into a robot!
The Wrecking Bandits will strike again!
We will help you rebuild your house. We should stop the game and work together.
No! Give that back! You'll have to catch us first, old man! Mila, Morphle, the bandits have stolen my time racer! Aha! So that's what this is.
Let's go do some crime through time. Yeah.
Oh, no!
Morph into a time racer too, Morphle! There they are!
Time to crime in a different time, Stein.
Hold it!
But the bandits!
No buts, m'lady. I am Knight Peterian Frost, and you are trespassing in my medieval village.
Oh no! Morph into a dragon, Morphle!
Just you wait, you dragon. I'm going to get my real sword.
Ride's over, princess. Are you all right, my little princess?
Yes, dear father. Thanks to these curious travelers.
Mila?
Me? No. I'm Princess Leela, and this is Sir Father. I'm Mila, and this is Morphle.
A pleasure to meet you both. Say, do you perhaps know where those awful bandits have taken our treasure?
I might. Morphle, morph back into a big time racer.
That's right. You better run. No dragons in my village.
We're rich, Stein.
Yes. Maybe we can stop stealing now. Nah.
Hand over that treasure, you scoundrels.
Oh, let's go, Yon.
Your luck has run out.
Quickly, the other car.
Oh.
Not cool. You made this contraption, good sir? Are you a wizard?
Oh, well, no. I'm a scientist.
How curious.
Well, if you have a moment.
Sir Father seems to thoroughly enjoy it here. Well, you are welcome to visit anytime, whenever you want.
Influence of the Earth by sea, which is, of course, the speed of light. You're right.
I think we will.
That is divisible only by 3 known irrational cofactorials. And this was a mistake.
So warm.
Right. We're off to the beach. Magic Pets, take good care of the store while we're gone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Right. On to business, Yorn.
Have you tried it, Stein? It's pretty good.
Well, hello, madam. Is the hot weather bothering you?
Yes, terribly. How nice of you to ask.
Blaster, Yorn! Much better, right?
Last one in the water is a pickle.
Ow! Ugh. How did this ice get here?
No need to thank us. Enjoy!
Don't worry, Daddy. We're going to stop them.
Mm-hmm.
Morph into a giant lion Morphle.
And now to finish it off.
Oh no, Morphle! Don't worry, Morphle. I'll get you out of there.
So, they got Morphle too, huh?
Daddy, you're free.
Yeah, we're lucky the sun is so hot today. Now, let's get Morphle out of there.
Yay! Now morph into a monster truck. But with spikes on its wheels, so we don't lose any grip on the ice.
about this? Uh-oh. Want some ice cream?
Give up, bandits. You will not get away from us.
We'll see about that.
Grab them, Morphle.
Look at him go!
Morph rockets onto the monster truck, Morphle.
Uh-oh. Back up, Yawn. Well, Mila and Morphle, I have to say, you make my life very easy. Look at him. Our life would be easy too if we had Morphle.
Yeah, Stein. I think we could be the mayor if we had Morphle.
No, we could be kings, Yawn. Kings!
We could tell Morphle to morph into anything we want.
Yeah, that would be the life. And the next subject paying tribute is the former mayor.
I offer you my golden chain, my kings.
Morphle, morph into a monkey and bring me that chain, will you? Is that all? I expected more.
Oh, take this puppy as well.
I like it.
Okay, you're done.
Oh, thank you.
Morphle, morph into a big lion and walk us around town.
When I grow up, I want to be a king too.
Dream on, kid.
Hold it right there.
Oh, will you look at that? It's Mila.
Go away, Mila. Nobody likes you.
Yeah, Mila. Stop blocking the road or I'm going to have to take you to jail.
You are not kings. You're bandits. And I'm here to stop you.
So what are you going to do?
With this bracelet from Professor Rashid, I'll be able to morph as well.
All right, that's it. Make her stop, Morphle.
Morph into a T-Rex, Morphle.
No, Morphle, stop it! Yawn? Are you okay?
Yeah, but I had the strangest dream.
Me too. Morphle was our friend, but then Mila came and they both got really big.
Stein, I don't want to be king anymore.
Me neither, Yawn. Me neither.